Hello everyone, I'm playing Animal Hospital. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Okay. And I 87654. Okay. We're in the hospital. She find out really happily. A for player.
Mommy, her hands. No. Don't do that, Lily. Mommy, her hands.
Don't taste good, but I like it. I taste good when I bite. What? Are you kidding me? What are you kidding me? Okay. I'm Finn Martin. I'm here for my appointment. Stamp forms. Take a picture. Let's see if she looks normal. She looks very normal. Then we have a turn. Talk. I will be in room 1. To go take care of her. If you don't, she will die.
Lily, sit down, please.
Okay, let's go. Take your patient 1. Hello, my name is Bella Tanika. I have an appointment. Okay, stamp forms. Take photos.
You're done?
Let's see.
Mommy, she's done.
She looks normal.
Do you have wipes that you can clean your hands out?
I will be in room 2. Complete and what is a PC? What? Treat the patient. Herbs. You need herbs. Example from patient room 2. Ouch. And anyways, okay. 2, 3, 4. Action needed. You need some eye drops.
Lily, sit down, Mama.
Need some eye drops? Haha, I got it. The doctor's arriving. Wait a minute. Doctor's arriving. Oh my god. Look, she's so cute. Hey, USB, do higher. I'm Dr. Hollow. Son, visit. If these get strange, just keep working. Yes, sir. I think I just shut her security camera for you. How do you recognize that? 32000. Excellent. And who's the best?
Did you finish your yogurt?
Spicy chips 19. Sup, I'm Sammy Green. That was my real name, Sammy. I'll check into the patient. The last name is wrong. Yes. My last name is Diaz. He looks really
Bro.
regressive. Take it. Take it. Take it. Talk. I got room 2. And she got room 2. Do you want it? Okay. You take it as a patient. Thank you. Okay. So, check in patient. Good job.
Put it right there in the middle.
Go to her. I'm here for my appointment. Photo. Let's see. He looks normal. That will be in room 3. Okay, I'll do it in room 3. Ew, ew. Oh no. Hurry, close. Close, close, close. Ah. Wait. So I'm about to see them. I'm here for my appointment. So, listen. What are you doing? What are you doing to listen in? Oh, that's good. Number 3. Fever, bleeding. Maybe get Thermometer and Medkit. Wait, so Mom, so it's bleeding, so it's a Band-Aid. Do I get it correct? Yep, it is. So, okay, you got it, boy. Are you sure? Look at the bottom. So, D. Treat remaining patients. 1. So, there's something wrong. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that to her? I told you do not treat it, okay? I told you do not treat it. Hurry up, come on! We're cleaning this! We're cleaning this, everybody! That's reachable! Yeah. Yeah, your doctor. Okay. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Ooh, we have new supplies. Very fast. Good. Okay, her product's good. I'm the best. Is it Mario? Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me a coffee?
¿Se entiende? Perfecto. Allá fue Vini. Nada, tomó la pelota, está cerca Martinelli también. Vamos a ver quién es el encargado. Vini tiene 4 goles convertidos en lo que va de esta mundial. 13 para Verde Amarela, se la va a dejar a Bruno Guimaraes. Ahí está. Bruno Guimaraes. Uno toma la pelota y lo espera que después de unos segundos venga el que realmente va a tomar la pelota. ¿Es un juego de Leli?
We don't have enough.
El arquero de Sevilla de España, desde el punto penal. Bruno Guimaraes. Respira profundo, se frenó.
Okay. Hannity appointment. If it reaches 0, you'll die.
A new Five Below is open.
Where?
Gateway Plaza in Fort Pierce.
Oh, shit. We should go.
Where's Gateway Plaza?
Okay, let's go.
Todo controlado allí, el partido sigue 0-0. En estos primeros 15 minutos, el balón terminó largo.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? No, stop! What are you
La llegué a encontrar en Burlington muchas veces y cada vez que
doing?
voy a...
Give him coffee! Give him coffee! Give the coffee, everyone! I'm super mad! Oh, fine, I get some coffee by myself.
No creo,
Wait.
no creo.
Do we check the patient? Let's see. Ooh, she looks so pretty.
Yeah, Rose said she was.
I will be in room 6. Oh my god, this is so impossible. Do not go in room 6. No. Here's room 6. Come on. There's room 6. Nope, nope. You're staying here. You're staying here, spicy chips. She wanna go chip 6. Okay. I help you. I help you. Okay, fine. Okay, we don't look up, okay? Don't look up. So, action needed. Begin next way. Copy the sequence. Pink, blue.
Seguramente lo que él tenía imaginado. Hay precisión Domínguez también estaba.
Oh no, visitor has fainted. Oh no, I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh my god, no, no. I can live him later. Hurry, hurry, before they die. Hurry! Ah! Oh no. Right here, right here, right here, right here before they die. Hurry!
Bro, that's right next to
Go with me, go with me.
Yeah, it's in the
Go!
box.
Go! She fainted! Phew! She's alive. Prepare patient. And they done. I have seen this level before. Georgia is deaf by this.
A lo mejor su abuelita le da el de ella. Como Family Heirloom.
Okay, hair scan complete. Okay, don't get the little body. I take care of insects. Okay. Bleeding flu. Okay. He's recovering. Thank you. Are that results? Oh, what do we did? Ointment, IV drops, and then maple syrup. Okay. Ointment, IV drops, and maple syrup. Okay. Got these 3 items. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, finally we save him for fate.
Scoot over. Go that way.
Wait, what is happening? Okay. Sorry for taking so long. He looks normal. Ew. Nope, nope. I'm not doing this right now. Okay. I'm fixing the camera. So I'm fixing the cameras. Ah! What? camera down.
Ese último equipo noruego le ganó a Brasil 2-1 en el velódromo
Thanks.
Marsella, 23
Be in room 7.
¿Dónde? Norway.
No, I'm not doing this for you.
No,
That
nomás
might
por
be
el país que es, señora.
Close, everybody. What? No service? I'm leaving. Okay. Fake leave. She's leaving.
Estamos más pesados ahorita porque
6, 7. 7. I'm here. Oh, you? She's a visitor. Oh, she's a visitor. Good. Coffee ready? I got coffee already. Take. Ooh. Ooh. Phew. And what? Pineapple. Low sugars, stomach ache. Maple syrup and herbs. We need 8 maple syrup and herbs. Maple syrup, herbs. Patient recovering. Okay. Thank God. There's stories about this place. So which one do you want to go? 4? Ah, sticky gooey. Sticky gooey. You clean slime? Okay. 4. Okay. Take daylight circle.
I know,
And then MY sample.
Lily, Sammy.
So,
It's good.
let's
It's good.
go. Let's go.
When it's tight, it's good. Es que me dan some
The analyze. Yeah, process results. Dehydration, dry eyes. IV drops and eye drops. Wear both drops.
You got an adjustable.
So eye drops and IV drops. You could drop the IV drops first because they make sense. Okay. It's recovering. Okay. 8. Oh my god. Are you playing the memory game? Scissors? Scissors!
Además, no más un leo.
Woo! 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 Okay, where can we find it? Scrabble!
Point proven.
Bandage! Play that game. Make it! Every drops!
puede llegar a sacar provecho una vez los balones detenidos.
Yes! Good job! Yeah, spicy chips. I will be your friend. Because you're roomy and you're being nice. Phew, it's 9. Some patients may seem unstable. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will lock the taser. Use it wisely. Okay, please delete. Hot. Good. Ooh. I'm the best! I'm ready to be best. I'm the best. Shift 3. Hey. I'm gonna check out as a patient. Oh. Shift 4.
Oh my God, I wanna be Rapunzel.
I will be in room 8. Oh no. This is going to be a hardcore challenge. Ew! I'm going to clean the slime. Room 8 is so impossible. What is this? What do you do? These sticky goo! Okay, let's go.
Look, I look so beautiful.
It's amazing. 45 before it's death.
Oh, look, I got a purple one.
Okay. Sleep patient.
That's enough for today, and you pick your out.
I need drop. I go. Drop please. Drop it. Skable. No. Listen. Come on. Make it. What do we do? Scissors. Yes. It's a phew. Safe and sound, boy. This is very good. This is very bad so far. Okay. I'm ready for you.
Now your face is good. Now your face.
Okay, process result. Brush, dry eyes, ointment, eye drops, maple syrup. Eye drops and maple syrup. There we go do it. Oh no. Okay. Phew! Patient recovering. Okay. Are you okay? What camera's down? I will be in room 2. Okay. Fix camera. Camera's down. That's your fix the camera. Whoa, no! What are you doing? Get out of here! Oh no. I get tired of waiting. Okay, sorry. I was taking so long. Okay. I need some coffee. Talk. I got room 3. Patient on fire! No! Ah! I'm on fire! Need help. Amen. I got it. Yeah, she did it. Phew. Did I take it? Will it take long? No, it's going to take short. Okay. I got room 2. Okay. Shift 3. Room 3. Yeah, I will take care of room 3 first. Take care of room 2. Anyways, matching me there. How many problems? 2 bruises and dry eyes. Mech it and eye drops. Okay. Mech it,
Okay, like
eye drops. Okay, you're so perfect. 2, I'm ready for you. No. No. No.
Hemos jugado casi
No.
una hora de partido, obviamente con esta pausa. Y Henry
What are you doing? This is not a.
ocurrió
Uh,
le hace falta tocar la pelota
uh,
mucho, aunque la toque dentro
I don't want to die. She cannot die.
a esa zona que termina en gol.
hold on.
Don't forget this candle.
Face away.
El balón que vino bastante
Phew.
elevado.
That was close. I'll continue in room 2.
Sí que mire, que se frenó y el margen tiene riesgo. Ahora para el que se
Really?
Sorry, sorry.
No, I look big and fat.
Okay. Analyze. Process results. 3 problems. Bandages, Firmo, and IV drops.
Noruega. La suerte jugó del lado noruego aquí.
And temperature,
Después de recibir de Vinicius Martinelli,
IV drops.
Is that face table?
cómo este balón después de pegarle
Don't like
la
it.
parte
Okay. Easy. Okay.
Don't like it.
5.
no terminó dentro del arco.
1. I will take care of you.
Seleccionado ahí te va.
Process result. How many problems is it? 3? Okay. Babel 0, Band-Aid, Thermometer.
Martinelli, cuéntemelo.
Mayonnaise? Where is mayonnaise? Okay, got it. A thermometer. Oops, wrong room. Ooh, it's room 5. Maple syrup, bandages, and thermometer. Okay. I feel much better now.
No, Tomus.
Why did you change back?
Sí, no, yo también
They didn't like anything that I would wear. I looked horrible. I didn't like it any.
Okay.
Otra Elena quiso pasar esa pelota. Aquí recuperando bien estaba Patrick Bell.
Do you want to try Jack or Shark?
Yeah, I hope. Okay, one person left. And 5 other persons left.
Zorlo.
Wait,
Do you want Jack or
3 remaining patients. 1. It's recovering. It's recovering. I'm going to check.
La creatividad en Noruega en cuanto al fútbol que fue
So here's number 5. Ron from the counting
mitad de cancha hacia arriba.
is better.
Let's have
Okay,
it.
Futbolista del Arsenal.
after that, the doctor's coming.
Si él no toma las decisiones correctas,
That
a Noruega le cuesta muchísimo generar algo para que
is Ron from the counting.
este tenga alguna oportunidad de definición dentro del área. Aquí Balseta adelantó la pelota, pero
Why my tablet there?
Okay. It does the way. Okay. That's it. Why? 1? It's still 1? Then who is it? 6, 7, 7, 7. Let's take care of 7. 7. Are you doing a heart rate you?
Yeah?
It's scale complete. You didn't need that. Hydration. IV drops.
este estadio hay mucho
Spell
brasileño,
face and hair.
bastantes noruegos, pero lo que más hay aquí son
Here's IV drops.
cuando lo mostraron en la pantalla gigantes a Jalen Brown.